I get excited about this business every day because every day we come to work to help people. CRDN is a company that specializes in restoration services for homeowners and business owners that have experienced a fire, a flood, any sort of damage to their home or their business in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. We're a big company, but yet we're really small. We have local owners in every market with families that live in those communities, servicing those communities, supported by a bigger organization called the CRDN Home Office. We started in the textile business almost 30 years ago. CRDN specializes in soft goods in your home: leather, suede, fur, shoes, hats, bedding, window treatments, luggage, area rugs. Then you get to the clothes. It's a much bigger category than just clothes, right? So when we get to a house, we're looking at about 23% of what's in a home are textile related or soft goods. So it's a core competency that we have here at CRDN. Responding quickly is the name of the game. We've got to be there fast. Nobody plans a disaster. So when it happens, they need help. We get there quickly. We can be anywhere in any country we service within 2 hours, and oftentimes much quicker. You've got to not only be there on time, but you've got to provide solutions. And we provide leadership to homeowners to help them get through a very trying time and put their life back together. Customer care that comes along with that, the getting a family back on track, part of that is crucial. Understanding the claim process, understanding that you have to have a high level of empathy when you walk in someone's home that's just experienced probably the most devastating thing most have ever experienced. It's traumatizing. So having somebody walk in that's going to take care of your personal items and do it properly is a breath of fresh air in the claim process. It may just be their clothes, but it's one more piece of that puzzle that comes together for them that helps them get on the other side, and that's important. That's what we do, that's what we specialize in. People need hope. Cleaning clothes is one thing. Helping people restore their lives, that's a whole different game. At CRDN, it's not really about doing business as usual, it's doing business as required. And I get fired up every day leading the company, knowing that across the board, everybody's on the same page. We want to put that family back together. We want to be a part of the puzzle that restores their lives and gets them back in business. We're going to respond, we're going to restore, and we're going to help them resume their lives.